Tractor craft. For this activity, you need a pair of scissors, some ice cream sticks, a white chart paper, marker, and some paints. Let's begin the activity by painting the ice cream sticks of any color. I have painted green. Now, let's arrange them and stick it on the chart paper. Let's stick it on the middle of the chart paper so that we can fill in the other details and decorate it. Let's take a half piece of ice cream stick and stick it vertically. And then one more ice cream stick at the end and stick it again horizontally. And here our tractor is ready. Let's fill in the details like the wheels, and we can also make a farmer in it. Encourage your child to explore their creativity and draw. It can be a simple doodling as well. We can add some more details like drawing some grass, sun, clouds, and doodle whatever your child wishes to. Here, our tractor craft is ready. Happy learning!